Hey there. I'm here to tell you about an incredible online class that's designed specifically for people like you, who are eager to step into the real estate game but maybe aren't sure where to start. Let's dive right into the world of fix and flip real estate and learn how you can transform dusty old houses into dazzling homes that sell for a premium. First things first, what exactly is fix and flip? It's the art of buying properties that are a little rough around the edges, giving them a makeover, and then selling them for a profit. Sounds simple, right? Well, there's a bit more to it, and that's exactly what our course covers. You'll learn everything from identifying the right properties to buy, understanding what renovations will give you the best return on your investment, and even how to stage a home to sell. We're talking about real, actionable strategies that have worked for countless investors. And the best part? You don't need a mountain of cash to start. We'll cover techniques to work with different budgets and how to navigate financing in a way that makes sense for your financial situation. Imagine this. 6 months from now, you could be selling your first flip, pocketing your first big profit, and really understanding the thrill of transforming spaces. How does that sound? Exciting, right? So why should you choose our course over others? Because it's taught by Suzanne Johns, who has been a realtor since 1978 and has 20 years of experience as an award-winning custom home builder. Suzanne has been in your shoes, made all the mistakes you can think of, and started from scratch and built a successful career in real estate investing. Suzanne wants to take out all the guesswork and mentor you to guide you through every step of your journey. Enroll today and get started on your path to financial success in real estate investing.